Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable the LiD switch on the Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. First, you need to access the BIOS menu on your laptop. To do that, turn off your device, short press the power button, and repeatedly click the F2 key until BIOS opens. After that, select Power on the sidebar. Here you will immediately see the LiD switch, which lets you enable or disable the LiD switch and the Power on LiD Open feature by switching this toggle on or off. To apply changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom, then OK. To exit, either click Exit in the bottom right corner or press Escape on your keyboard. That's it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.